Block 5 is a story that's very close to home. It is a personal story, mainly because I was born and bred in Block 5. And ever since I was born, there has never been water. Water is a daily struggle, day in, day out. People struggle just to get water. 21 years into democracy, South African democracy, there's still no water in Block 5. I don't want to talk about clinic. I don't want to talk about roads. I'm talking about a basic right that has now turned into a commodity. This film mainly tells a story of how incompetent local government structures drag down this country. It is a small story in a small village, but the bigger picture is actually what is happening countrywide, and it is dragging this country into the mud. I was sitting one day, a few days after I buried my father, sitting there chilling with my siblings. A lady walks in with a kettle in her hand, and she said to us, "I just need drinking water because there's no drop at home." At that point, I realized that I have to start filming this because it's a story that has been bugging me forever. I wanted to get funds to produce the story, but I could not get funds. But up until that time, I realized that I need to self-fund this project. Next year, it's going to be local government elections. Politicians are going to there'll be a marathon of politicians in my village vying for votes. Yet, till this day, there is no delivery of services. I'm talking about basic delivery of services. Nothing whatsoever. Yet, there are dormant pipes around the village. There are tanks everywhere. A lot of things. And it's all about empowering one another as comrades, as politicians. They're using the village as a mining ground for dirty money to enrich themselves. So this film is basically painting a picture of what's happening countrywide in local government structures. So it's Block 5 in its humbleness, but the system is universal in the country. So this film is mainly to say there must be change in policy. The attitude must change, or else this country is going one way, and that is down the drain. This film must be seen. It must be seen by government officials. It must be seen by the general public, the voters, to say it has to stop now.